So tonight we are losing this fight. So tonight.
Bang! Spur. Then chain time. I'm going to. What are we looking for? Oh, let's socket. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this old bitch on here.
Perfect.
Sacks. Okay, that's done. Fucking one thing off the list. No. Ah. The goods. Bang. Huh? High volume, high pressure. Oops. I love opening presents before Christmas. That old girl. This is called the KY Jelly Dispenser. Pumps KY jelly throughout the engine. In case you're wondering. Learn the hard way. Always fucking bag your shit and label it. So much easier on the assembly. I have to pile of shit. Look through. My garage door keeps heating up and crackling. I keep thinking someone's banging on it. I'm gonna get robbed. Oh, I gotta take that bolt off. What's this? Yo, fuck that bolt out of there. We ain't gonna use that anymore either. We'll just slide the old bitch on just like that. Pick them two down, obviously. If you have one of those 1/4-inch Milwaukee battery operated ratchets, I envy you because the things are amazing. They need to stop being so cheap and invest in one. But hey, work your finger muscles. Now, waiting on Paul to get here. Look at that shit. He gets here. He's bringing a drill, and a Sawzall. And you can cut the old motor mounts out, drill out the spot rivets to the sway bar mounts because the hot side piping rubs on the sway bar mounts, so that shit's gonna come out. So when he gets here, we can do that. Get the old handy dandy torque specs here. Oil and oil pump. Oil pump mounting bolts, 18 fucking foot-pounds. We'll use the Craftsman for this bitch. $15, $16, $17, $18, boys. Oh, wait a minute. 10's on that. Oh, wheel. Oh, fresh. Harbor Freight, once again. Don't hate. I had a 10 laying in here somewhere. Whatever. We'll just open the new batch. Where's the 10? Where's the 10? That's 12. That's 10. Ooh, hard. Yeah. Magic. Random shit in these drawers. Talc wrench. Double check. Oil pump mounting bolts. 18 foot. Oh. Snuggle them all up here. So, done. That's tight, that's tight. Oh, I can't put the cover on. So I don't have a gasket. Actually, I do have a gasket and a new front main seal. But I have to put the almighty hole in there. I don't have a TIG welder, so probably going to take it to buyers or one of Paul's buddy who's got a TIG welder, is really good. Put the return turbo drain in there. Clean this cover up so it doesn't look like a dirty whorehouse. That'll be on. Back cover got to clean up too. Put a new rear main in. I gotta get a gasket for that. A pan gasket. You get them head bolts still. $430 some dollars. If I remember right. Not 100%. I was gonna put that ICT valley cover on, but I may just I'm starting to run out of money. Can't tell. Clean this whole girl up. I don't know. Paint it. Fucking Barney purple like I'm gonna do the block. No idea. Haven't decided yet. Leave the knock sensors, delete the knock sensors. Yet to be determined. But we will 7-second car. Yet. So, let's take a gander, shall we? Okay. So, stock pistons, cleaned up with some Scotch-Brite. New Delphi LS 7 injectors, whatever they call them. I don't know. I've heard horror stories. Did I say injectors? Lifters. I've heard horror stories about reusing lifters on LS engines, and it's supposedly no. So they're cheap, under $100. I just throw them in. There's really nothing special to this. So last time, I didn't really give you much information on the car, but I don't know, the plan is, cage is already in it. I want to get a stock dash. I really don't want to get the fiberglass dash, but cheap enough and I can't find a factory one, I may do it. So I'll have a factory dash, because right now the turn signals, whatever, right, left, are on switches, and when you're strapped in, it's a stretch for my fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex arms. But that's the plan with that anyways. Dash. Yeah, I think we talked about the rear end. Probably just build the 8.8 axles, C-clip eliminators, disc brakes, gear. Yeah, I'm gonna get a drive shaft made. I have a Turbo 400 from my Monte Carlo that I may use, but right now the plan is to go glide. I don't know, it's still up in the air, I guess, not sure. Some people say yes, go glide, it's not that bad on the street. Other people say it sucks on the street, don't go glide. I plan on getting in this thing every day during the summer, hitting the key, driving it to work, going to shows after work, doing whatever, drive it down to Cedar Falls, drive it wherever I gotta go. With the glide, it kind of sketches me out, but I don't know, we'll just have to talk to a few more people, see what's what. We still got some parts, dipstick, rear main, front gasket, cam's already in, ARP, crank bolts, some 4 push rods from Julie. Oh, I did. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of butt connectors. I like to solder all my shit, especially in a PCM wiring harness. See if I can find where I put them at. Amazon. I ordered these just to try them out, to see what would happen. They're like a plastic connector. You put a wire in each side, whatever, and there's a piece of low temp solder in the middle. And you just heat it up with propane torch, melts the solder. The blue pieces are supposed to be a watertight seal. Everything shrinks on there. Win-win, right? I don't know, never used them. If you've used them and they're total hunks of fucking shit, let me know so I don't even waste my time. But for now, I don't know, little things I might try them out with. But I don't know what else I can do. I mean, besides for throw the retaining bolts in the trays. I have to clean the shit up over there. Oh, I need to order water pump, all that accessory shit. It's just gonna be water pump, alternator, crank pulley, that's it. So I need to find a tensioner system that'll fit my needs. But yeah, we will call it good for now. I don't know, I don't know if we'll do much when Paul gets here, because cutting and shit's gonna be noisy, and I don't know. He's probably gonna talk about strippers and blow. This is a PG family channel. Shit. So, I don't know, we'll call it good for now. There's not much I can do. I'll put the bolts in for the lifter trays. Need to order some studs. So I get the heads on, clean the covers up, get a rear gasket so I can put that cover on. Slap it all together. Oh, have to order a K-member too. That has mounts. Get motor mounts. Put the K-member in there. I'll put our Team Z lowers on. Coilovers in. I already have the plates for the top. And then she'll be in the Jackstein Mafia. They're not still on the ground. But, anyways, if you would please, like always, like and subscribe, leave a comment, give me some tips on what you want to see next. Have a good one.